Everyone's excited today.
Yeah.
So gentlemen, thank you for joining me. We're just days away from the Cricket World Cup. How are you feeling? You had a big job. You were ambassador for Barbados to the United States, and you came and you took an even bigger job, which is throwing the Cricket World Cup.
I like to say that cricket is really at the core of our national development, both social and economic development. As a matter of fact, of our two living national heroes, one of them is a cricketer, the Right Excellent Sir Godfrey Sobers. But this World Cup means a lot to Barbados because this is going to really be, in our opinion, the platform for the creation of a new industry for cricket, a new industry for Barbados, which, better said, is cricket.
Tell us about what you've had to do to bring this to the world. I mean, this facility is phenomenal. I love the architecture and design, and it's a very iconic looking building. Tell us what you've had to do, you and your team, to bring it to the Cricket World Cup level.
We did an overall assessment of the facility. We had visits from Cricket West Indies and the ICC, who also did an assessment, and we got together and we said, okay, if we want to bring the facility back up to world-class standards, just not minimum standards, but world-class standards, one of the things that we needed to do. So we went ahead, and then we got the assistance from the government. The government has been very, very committed to the project, to the process, because of the importance of cricket in Barbados and the West Indies.
I think this exquisite game, which I don't understand, to be very honest. I will soon. I'm going to learn. I promise. I have friends like you that'll teach me. It brings people together. It brings out the best in people, and I see that. I see that in my time in Barbados. I mean, cricket is an amazing sport, and more Americans are going to learn about it. And you are responsible for that. For broad America, it is still a pretty unusual game. We don't quite get. We see it on TV occasionally, and I think that you're going to make it more accessible. And I think that is really important, because I think that you've done such a great job. It's so clear, just being here today and soaking in, the good vibes from all the work. You can hear the workers in the background, and I think this is going to be a fantastic game. It's going to strengthen our ties between the United States and the West Indies, and specifically Barbados. I think that our relationship is already very strong, and it's only going to get stronger. So thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks a million.
Thank you.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you.